Hi everyone, welcome to another Tips and Tricks. My name is Alex Shellhaas, the Senior Product Manager here at Cavallo. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to get better business insights with using Trend Monitor. There's all sorts of things that you can learn from the Trend Monitor. Super excited about this product. Let's go ahead and dive in. So what we're looking at here is the Trend Monitor page within Cavallo's Process Analytics product. On this page, this is really intended to help give you a 10,000 foot view of your business and then allow you to really drill into the fine details from there. So you can see that I've got placed orders here. I can see placed orders value, like how much was that, the dollar value of all of those orders that I received. And then you might also want to keep track of things like orders shipped or the margin shipped and the average order size. And so if your margin is falling but your average order size is going up, this tool helps surface that information and allows you to kind of really dive into those specific details about why that might be happening. And so this page is all of the high-level KPIs. Let's dive into a little bit more of the detail. So we can go ahead and make that appear. Click on largest order size, and then now we can actually see a little bit more detail about this specific KPI and then start to dive into the additional details there. If I want to, I can open this up in analytics and then view all of the underlying orders, really helping you be able to tell the story of this KPI and why it's trending up or down or flat. Now, one of the other cool things that you can do with the Trend Monitor is actually start to dissect this information further by adding some filters on top of it. So there's a couple different filters that you can do right now. One is customer class. So if you want to evaluate, the orders shipped for a specific customer class and start to compare that to your other customer classes to get a better sense of how things are trending overall at your business, you can do that using our filters. Alternatively, if you want to actually evaluate a specific sales rep to see how many orders they've put in, is the sales rep's average order size trending up or down? This is a really great tool that allows you to start to understand some of those more nuanced details about how your business is operating as a whole. And this is a little bit of our filter functionality. All right, and that's a little bit of a sneak peek into the Trend Monitor within our Cavallo Process Analytics product. I'm super excited about this and its ability to help you understand the more nuanced details of your business. If you have any questions about the products, any of our products really, feel free to leave a comment below or go to our website.